Welcome to Andy On Call, where we've been providing construction and handyman services for over 25 years. So if you're a property management company, you have commercial lease space, or you're an apartment project and you have tenants living in those spaces, Andy On Call can be your outsourced provider when a tenant calls and a small repair is needed. Or if a tenant moves out and you need to clean up and do repairs or renovations. Whether it's a small project or a large project, Andy On Call is here to help. And Andy On Call can provide general building and repairs or refurbish pavilions and playgrounds and common areas. If you need cleanup or restoration work, Andy On Call is here to help you. And we're fully insured, and we provide a limited 1-year warranty on all of our craftsmanship. Andy On Call has been providing handyman and construction services for over 25 years. That means that we have the experience that you need. We have credibility, not just a pickup bed filled with discarded beer cans. We have a physical address with a full-time staff. We're not the fly-by-night folks whose office is the front cab of their pickup truck. That means when we're working on a project for you or we've completed one, if you have follow-up questions or need us again, we're here to help. You won't need to try to track us down like so many others that are out there. You need projects completed on the weekends or in off hours? Not a problem with Andy On Call. We're your go-to source. We're accustomed to doing after hours and late night work. We've been doing repairs, upgrades, remodeling, construction for all of Tulsa and Green Country, from Muskogee to Tahlequah to Bartlesville, and all places in between. If you have need for a small project or a large project and you want to discuss it with us, just call us now at 918-307-2639. If we're busy manning the phone or working with other customers, we'll usually get back with you the same day, and we can ordinarily schedule for a free quote within 48 hours. So if you have a project or want to visit with us, just call us right now at 918-307-2639. And until we hear from you, you have a wonderful day.